Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can intuitively see the changes as you edit a polyline. Let's explore the polyline editing feature and utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. When you click on Utility, the Drawing a Curved Line menu appears, and you select Edit a Polyline. Once you select a polyline, you can edit it while seeing real-time changes at each vertex. To insert a vertex, click at the desired location with your mouse. The command window displays several available options. Let's try moving a vertex. Type them on the keyboard, and then press Enter. Click the mouse at the position you wish to move the vertex to. Now, let's try stretching. Type S on the keyboard, press Enter, and then click the mouse at the desired position. To finish editing, type X and then press Enter. We have used the utility function of CADian CAD to edit a polyline. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.